Okay, good evening. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. I installed the LED indicator on my variable power supply. So what I did is that I connected the white and red to the plus terminal and the black terminal coming from the LED to the negative terminal of the output. So the importance of this one is if you try to toggle the rotary switch, you could really see that you could actually decrease, okay? And if you try to toggle it clockwise, you could actually increase. So we are not guessing on the actual value of the voltage we are using, okay? This is an LED indicator, so if you try to rotate clockwise or counterclockwise, you either decrease or increase the voltage. Okay? That's the importance of this one. This is a variable DC power supply. So if you are charging a 12-volt battery, you try to just listen it to around 12 volts. See? And you could charge now a 12-volt battery. If you are charging a 9-volt battery, of course, it should be the chargeable one. You try to listen this one, you try to rotate the rotary switch counterclockwise, and you could set it to around 9 volts. Okay? Oh, that will be fine if you are charging 9 volts. So the importance of this LED indicator is that we are not guessing on the actual value of the voltage we are using. Okay, that's the importance of this one. And one thing more, originally, the markings on the front of the power supply corresponds to the LED indicator value. Okay, so before, when I don't have yet the LED indicator, I could still correctly guess the value of the voltage I am using because I marked this one when I installed my rotary indicator. Of course, I got a voltmeter, and at a certain measurement, I mark it as 3 volts, 6 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 14.5 volts. But for now, since we got the LED indicator, we just rotate it and we could say what will be the output voltage. Okay? Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.